Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Timberleaf Park in Wheeling, Illinois, and we're going to be raising sidewalks primarily at many residential locations here at this homeowner association. And I want to do a quick video about this because it's kind of an interesting story. This association had, I believe, essentially kind of sworn off concrete raising due to their prior experiences with mudjacking technology. Not only did the mudjacking fail miserably over time, allowing the concrete to drop again, the other thing that they didn't like was just how visibly noticeable the mudjacking holes were. It just made the concrete really look horrible. And they decided to have us come in here and raise all these sidewalks again because of our work that we did for this association, raising and leveling their mailbox cluster pads. We came in here and leveled the pads, and when we were done, they didn't even know that we drilled through their concrete or how we even raised it. So you can see here's a pad that we've raised and leveled and with polyurethane, and it's very hard to even tell that we even did anything to the pad other than raise and level it. So we're going to run through here today and fix a lot of this old mudjacked concrete that has failed again, and we're going to do that with polyurethane, and we're going to leave this place looking great. So we're going to run through and show you some examples of the old mudjacked concrete, and we'll show you us raising some of these slabs with our polyurethane. So hang in there and watch this. We hope you enjoy. Thanks.